Members of the Home Guard Employee Welfare Association continue to stage protest rally demanding an increase in their salaries and allowances. In a series of events, the Home Guard stormed through the gate of Manipur Legislative Assembly, locked down the office of the CEO at Lamphel and also submitted a memorandum to the CM's office. But till today, there is no word from the government side. The protesters express full of dissatisfaction with grief, even going to the extent of wanting to commit suicide.
Battalion se 124 phok leiba 124 phok leiba mi se imai pa se ngachi bokwa masa singna tawriba pot sida yaudde ba ado akoi hongar ki damakta matam sangna sahi 15 years muk sure aina hongar oire se suicide phak tawge haibse ai gi wakhalun leiba.
The Manipur government has been utilizing these home guards in different state occasions and functions. Specially utilized day and night, they assist the civil police to maintain law and order as well as in prevention of crime in the state. They are also utilized in protecting government buildings and installations. With deep grief and anger, the Home Guard said that they have been utilized as slaves by the state government.
I isamak sahi kunmuk henjare je duty tok jabase adu pura mina ido bisi nei day and night akoi duty ni masi phawbada police tagi akoi ga duty taba leite makhona duty night duty akoi night duty tawi aduga kana phar control gi ising thinge police ne title te lawi hungar ken songa happy de thaba mu tawi hunga nam kok thongi title police ne lawgi tolobla songa happy de pura akoi ji mina habase akoi je phar ga sisina ba apang ba phar sisina bani na akoi logje.
With no pay, in a place like Manipur, where inflation touches sky high, it's not easy to keep working 24/7 with dedication and sincerity. Dumping duty allowances for long has forced these home guards to turn to streets. Manipur Home Guard Employee Welfare Association is determined to continue the cease work strike till the ongoing Manipur Legislative Assembly session comes to an end on 3rd of May. They further said they will not give up the rally till their demands are met.
Akoi ji yamna pikpa khusumanda tha amada lupa lising ahunga chaunga khak phangjaraga akoi ji matam koina akoi ji service tawraga leirabani adu akoi ngasagi akoi ji all india gi achauba kainu amane ba onnaisal amane ba adu ikui kudabi mamangda akoi gi state sida linkhaki ba force akoi adum duty tawminaba bide phawbada rasan mani lupa lising ama hojik Pangaga Lerabani, Akoi Moigalising, Ahunga Changa Chap, Anana Pangminarame, Adubu Makoise, Akoi Pliskizu, Brasan Mani, Lupa Changa, Kunipal, Asumai Pangamane, Ado, Ahumba, Awonba Lakan, the Hakukan, sing the long Jakarkanda, Akoji Huntopirame.
Manipur has been living under conflict zone for long, and this has put not only its people but also security personnel who are protecting the state to stay alert all the time. But how well the government is taking care of their needs remains a big issue. Bureau Report, Impact News.